Are you feeling stiff, sluggish? Well, if that's you, this routine is for you. We'll target your core, open up your side body, and release stress from your back. All you need is a soft mat and a carpet, and you can do this routine anywhere. Your bedroom, living room, or even outdoors. Most people would hit snooze and stay in bed, but not you. You've already shown up, and that's half the battle. I promise you, by the end of this routine, you'll feel more relaxed, mobile, and ready to take on your day. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin by waking up the spine with a soothing cat-cow stretch. Come onto all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone for cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest for cat pose. Flow between these two movements for 1 minute, syncing your breath with the motion. This stretch promotes spinal flexibility and warms up your entire back. I promise by the end of the stretch, your spine will feel more alive and ready to move. Beginners can keep the motion small and controlled, focusing on their breath. Advanced participants can exaggerate the arch and round for a deeper stretch. Come back to a neutral spine, then shift into a kneeling position as we prepare for the kneeling side angle stretch. Let's open the side body and hips with the kneeling side angle stretch on the left side. From a kneeling position, step your left foot out to the side, keeping your right knee grounded. Place your left arm on your thigh and extend overhead, reaching toward the right side. Swing your arm gently, breathing deeply. This stretch lengthens the side body and improves mobility in the hips and spine. I promise by the end of this, your side body will feel stretched and light. Beginners can keep their left arm on their thigh for support. Advanced participants can deepen the stretch by reaching further. Return to a kneeling position and switch sides. Now let's balance it out by stretching the right side. Step your right foot out to the side, keeping your left knee grounded. Place your right arm on your thigh and extend overhead, reaching toward the left side. Start swinging your arm gently, focusing on your breath. This stretch not only balances your body but also relieves tension in the lower back and hips. You'll feel taller and more aligned. Beginners can support themselves by keeping their arm on their thigh. Advanced participants can reach further for a deeper stretch. Return to all fours to move into thread the needle. Let's release tension from the shoulders and upper back with thread the needle on the left side. From all fours, slide your left arm underneath your right arm, lowering your shoulder and head to the mat. Your right hand can stay planted, or you can extend it forward for a deeper stretch, breathing deeply. This stretch targets tight shoulders and the upper back, releasing knots and improving mobility. I promise by the end of the stretch, your upper body will feel lighter and more open. Beginners can keep their right hand closer for more support. Advanced movers can deepen the twist by pressing their hips back. Gently come out of the twist and switch sides. Finally, let's open up the right side of your shoulders and back. Slide your right arm underneath your left, lowering your right shoulder and head to the mat. Extend your left arm forward for a deeper stretch, focusing on each exhale to release tension. This movement ensures your shoulders and upper back feel balanced and tension-free. You'll feel refreshed and ready to move with ease. Beginners can keep the left hand closer to provide extra support. Advanced participants can deepen the twist by threading further under. Slowly come back to all fours, take a deep breath, and sit back on your heels to close out the session. Fantastic work, fam. You've stretched your spine, opened your hips, and released tension in your shoulders. And always remember that just by showing up, you've already won the day. There's a special gift waiting for you in the description. It's packed with tools to help you level up on your journey. Don't miss out. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.